Hey, Jett. Are you fixing it? You want Daddy to hold it so you can hammer?
Put it right there. Put your nail in. Put the nail in. Upside down. There you go. Put it in just like that. Use your hammer. Alright, hit it. Hit it. Not Daddy's hand. No, Daddy, you can do it. You hit it. Look, hit it like that. Hit it just like that. Hit it. Hit the nail. There you go. Lay it on the ground. Hit it. Hit it. Oh! You'll get better. You'll get better. Pull the nail out. Pull the nail out. There you go. Yay! Yeah, a nail. We'll put the nail back. Okay. Let's put it back and you hit it. Okay. Ready? Hit it. Oh!
Yay!
Daddy hit it? Okay, Daddy hit it. Don't hit your hands, right? You go like this and go. You hit it. Is that your favorite tool, the hammer? Oh, look, pair of pliers, look. That might be a little bit harder for you to do. What about a screwdriver? You put the nail in. Oh, you want me to do it? Oh, come on, Jett, you can do it. You put the nail in, upside down. You got it upside down. Put it in just like this, look. Ready? Hammer. Hit it. Hit it. We'll put another nail in. Okay, hit that.
Use your hammer.
Use your hammer.
Where's your hammer, bud?
Okay. Hit it. Put your nail in. Hit it. Hit it with your hammer. Yeah, hit it with a hammer. Alright. Use your hammer. Hit it. There you go. There you go.
Yay! Good boy!
There you go. You're like a pro. You got more determination than some contractors do. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, hit it. Get that hammer and hit it. There you go. Good job.